находится на реставрации.
Видео?
Ага. Здесь такая зелень, блин, красивая.
Это средиземноморская растительность.
Да, вообще
В
прям.
Италии тоже такие деревья.
Очень красиво.
Не, можно, например, на внутреннем туризме работать.
The harem part of the Topkapi Palace used to be there till 1453. On 1453, Fatih Sultan Mehmet, when he won the war, he changed it, harem, he carried to the Topkapi Palace. Inside of the palace, now you could visit the harem part of the museum also. And right in front of you is the Galata Bridge. As you see now under the bridge, tickets are gonna be €8, which is 60 Turkish lira. End of the month, it will be 60 Turkish lira to visiting Hagia Sophia. Ladies and gentlemen, we have also two tunnels. One is Avrasya Tunnel, right over here where we took the ferry from. Crossing Aegean side for the cars, 14-kilometer long tunnel under the sea. Nice picture of Istanbul at Golden Hall.
Stops, marina. It's very nice for seafood too. Because here I think it's expensive, yes, but marina is better. But this is beautiful. I don't like shopping, but I like
So what's the name?
observation. This is the bazaar, big bazaar, big bazaar. And the masjid, I think it's Süleyman.
To the Dolmabahce Palace. Palace is open every day instead of Wednesdays closed. Tickets are also 60 Turkish lira, which is €8 to visiting Dolmabahce Palace.